Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is a quick and easy Excel tips for inventory management. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So first thing we're gonna do is open up Excel. And here at the top, you have here readily available templates. And for inventory management, let's press more templates. And let's search here for templates. Let's type inventory. So right here, it shows you different inventory templates. There is a home inventory, inventory list with highlighting, provate inventory, inventory of home contents, inventory list with reorder highlighting, warehouse inventory, personal inventory, and anything else. So let's try one. So what I'm going to use is this inventory list accessibility guide. So here, it will guide you and you can make your own accessible inventory list or use as a guide to create a new templates. And it's usable by people who are blind or have low vision. Additional information at the end helps you learn accessibility requirements for links, conditional formats, and icon sets. So to use the template, just remove the instruction tabs and customize with your information. So let's press create. So it's a sample inventory list. So let's go. So we'll just need to study and follow the steps. So this worksheet shows items ready for reordering automatically. So you can change the description name, the SKU, bin number, and here there is also location, unit, reorder quantity, cost, inventory value. And you have here also on other tabs, have here the inventory pick list, the lookup, and it shows you on this side how this works. So use inventory pick list to track quantity of each SKU needed to fulfill orders. We have also here the navigation links. So just read this and it will help you to get the information within the workbook. We have also the conditional formatting and the icon sets. This is useful to highlight data that matches defined set of criteria. And if you have any questions, you can go and you can make Excel spreadsheets accessible. So that's it. I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!